So, Puss, what do you want to do today? Do you sound Mike? Yes. Hey, guys. Oh, hey, Mike. What are you doing here? Well, gotta lose your phone, Puss. No, Mike, that's mine. Please? Okay, fine. I have my phone. Okay? Okay. Trying a emote. Okay? Okay, thanks. See ya, guys. See ya, Mike. Well, let's go then. Okay, let's go. Sorry. Puss? What's he doing there? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Girl,
What?
I told you to get dinner ready.
Nice.
Help me! Girl, shut up before I go and beat you with the belt. Help me!
Come on, donkey. Okay. I like Pissy. I know, donkey. We're talking about Mike. Mike. We'll have to yell at him, okay? Okay. You gonna go on couch? Yes. This way. Hey, guys. Hey, Mike. What are you doing there? Well, I'm trying to sound like this. Oh, that's nice. What? What? And then that woman with the scream. What? Mike, what's that for? It's not funny, Mike. Okay, I'm gonna stop. See you guys. Okay. Alright. Okay then. Good. That's good.